Alright, here we are in altitude hold mode.
3 minutes.
Hi guys, I thought I would do a quick little demonstration flight of my Flywoo Explorer using the Walksnail HD system. So this is really the first time I went out and just flew it around. I think it flies great. I love the OSD and the ability to adjust my fonts. So what I want you to notice is up at the top, look at the home arrow. See how it's not facing the right direction? That's going to come into play here in a little bit. I didn't notice that when I was flying it around, but I only did a couple laps, and then I thought maybe I'd test return to home. So there I am sitting underneath that little pavilion to the left. I think everything is going smoothly. The position hold held really well. I did a bunch of hovering tests in my backyard. It could stay in one spot for about 5 minutes. But look how the arrow is pointing the complete wrong direction where home is. Even though the compass up at the top looks to be kind of right, I'm going south right now, and now it thinks I'm going east, so it's completely catawampus. See, now I'm flying west and it thinks I'm going south. The home point is over to the left, and over here when I click return to home, I do it low intentionally so it will climb to the return to home altitude, but then watch what happens. Luckily no damage was done, but here we are.